All right. And I'm going to show you how in a bit. I'm going to show you how. How do you take part in this market? Why I love this, type of trading is because you do not need to know anything. You do not need to know anything. You don't need to know what is Forex. You don't need to know what is traded in the Forex market. Just after this 2-day boot camp, now you're making money. Now you're making the amount of money that you want to make. Do you want to make $500? Yes, you're able to make it. Why? Because you actually stayed glued to this boot camp for 2 days. All right. And that's what, the success story we're about to hear. All right. So how do you actually do this as a novice? You don't know anything. How? I'm going to show you how. You're able to do this because of educators. Because of educators we have in this academy. All right. We have actually partnered with educators, top class educators. Who are educators? These people have over 3 years experience trading the foreign exchange market. All right. They have over 3 years, as much as 27 years experience trading in this market. All right. And this is why you're able to make money. Why? Because of one of our educators known as Matthew Thayer. All right. Because of one of our educators known as Matthew Thayer. Okay. Look, I was able to just fix in these two. All right. This is, his result for November and December. November and December. All right. November, he had 83% win. All right, 83% win. All right, that is 91 wins and 18 losses. Guys, if you had 83% in an exam or whatever in an exam, is it a win or a loss? Did you win for that month? Your account grew by 83% in 1 month. Your account grew by 83%. Is that what you want? If that's what you want, you definitely want to stay glued to this, to this presentation, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how. This man right here, he grew a $500 account to over $8 million in 2 years. Do you want to know how to do it? Put some yes in the chat box if you want to know how you can grow your account from $500 to $2 million in 2 years. All right? Amazing, amazing, amazing. So I'm going to go up, I'm going to go to the compound plan right now. Okay, I'm going to go somewhere called the compounding formula. And I'm going to show you how exactly you can do it and replicate this same result that he has. Okay, please, I will need to be able to share screen, the host. Thank you. All right, thank you so much, Coach. Amazing. So right now you are able, okay, to just go to your, go right now to compounddaily.org, compounddaily.org, compounddaily.org/calculator. All right, compounddaily.org/calculator. Anybody can, is able to get access to this right now. Compounddaily.org.calculator. All right, so let's even start from the least amount. Let's say you have $100. You want to invest. You want to become an investor right now. You want to become an investor right now, and you want to invest this money. Trust me, you want to become an investor. You don't just, put in your money and take it out the next day. That's not how to invest. All right. An investor puts in a little money to get much more money, like 3 times, 4 times, quadruple times that amount in a very short period. All right. So now, what do we want to do with this? Okay. What do we want to do with this? This is $100. You see, as it's written here, initial purchase amount. This is how much you're funding your broker amount with. All right. And right now, you want to grow your interest. You want to grow your interest by anything 5 to 8%. So the least you can actually grow this, all right, is 5%. Okay. So now you want to grow by 8. I grow by 8 every single day. All right. I grow by 8% every single day. All right. So we're just going to drop 8 here. 8. Any amount you want to grow by, just put it there. Go to compounddaily.org/calculator. All right. Put in how much you want to, invest. okay, 8% every single day. You want to grow this account 8%. How do you grow this account? You're able to grow this account by just joining Matthew Thaya's live session and by just clicking a button, just by a click of button, okay? You know, there are two very hot educators. One is Matthew Thaya, another is Millie Mills, okay? So you could just share it. Okay, I want to make 4% on Matthew Thaya and make 4%, all right, in Millie Mills session, all right? And that makes up 8% for you, all right? Now, how many days do you want to invest? Like I said earlier, you do not just invest today and take your money tomorrow. So let's do 90 days. You know, the team has a 90-day game plan right now. We are on a 90-day game plan right now. And by the end of March, this is what we're going to be getting. End of March, just by the end of March. Are you going to start now to join us? All right? Right. We're not going to put daily reinvest rate, just simply means this. The amount of money that you made on any particular day, you are to add it. All right? You are just to add it to the next day. You're not taking any money out of it. You want to invest straight for, you know, everything that you're earning, you want to put it back, okay? Now, we're not trading weekends, okay? We rest weekends, all right? That's how we do here. But even while we're resting, okay, our money is working for us, okay? So all you just need to do is click calculate now. Calculate now. All right? Now, look at this. Now, look at this. It even gave you your time and everything. You started an investment of $100, all right, on Wednesday, 6th of January, 2021. I know some people that started this opportunity today, and this is where they're going to be. All right. Your principal amount grew to 101. Is this not 6 figures? Put 6 figs in the chat box. This is not naira, guys. This is dollars. This is dollars. Put 6 figs. 6 figs in the chat box. All right. By May, this is where your account has grown to. All right. So we might even cut this. We said we have 83% wins every single. All right. So now, this is actually, we make 83% every single month. Okay. Now, let's even cut it to 50%. Let's say we make only 50% in a month. You're making $50,000. All right. That is 5 figs. All right. Someone put 5 figs in the chat box. All right. So yeah, that is it. You're not able to withdraw. Now, look at how this works. Okay. Look at how this works. Okay. Your day one, date, Thursday, you start on Thursday. All right. Your earnings, you make $8. Trust me, small. You be like, why will I make only $8 in a day? All right. You ask yourself, why do I want to make only $8 in a day? But trust me, this is how Matthew Thaya grew his account from $500 to $2 million. So are you patient? Are you patient to take those little strides just by clicking a button? Put patience in the chat box if you know you're patient and you want to go through this journey. Your day 2, you're making $8. Now add that. All right, add that. Okay, add that. You're adding that to the initial $100. All right, now your first day you have $108. The second day you now have $116. Can you see? Day 2, just off day 2. All right, your third day you now have $125. 136. Who will be patient here to have their money growing little by little until the last day, until you start making, you know, so much money? All right, look at this right now. Look at this. Now your principal has grown on the day 42. Your principal has grown to 2,500. 2,500. And it just goes like that. All right, so what I want you to do right now is go. You can actually just impute this. It will give you, you know, a better view. Just click send my results, put in your email, and it will send your results to you. All right. All you just need to do is paste this somewhere that you can see it every day. Be disciplined to it. All right. We're in day 3 right now, and we have so more testimonies. We could even be bringing someone on board to tell you how this 90-day game plan has been for them. All right. I believe that that's enough of what I should say. All right. Right now, I'm about to bring on somebody. This lady was one of the ladies that taught me. You know, when I was a little baby, I didn't even know anything. I didn't know my left from my right. I didn't know my front from my back. I didn't even know what Forex was. But this lady was the first person I heard her voice when I came into this. She taught me every single thing right up to now. Right now, yes. She taught me, and right now I'm sharing this same platform with her. She's about to teach you the same thing that she taught me. She launched me into this. She made me know what currencies were, all right? What pips were. She made me know what was a buy, what was a sell. Are you with your pens and barrels right now? Are you ready to learn just like I learned? All right. So now I want you to stay glued. Don't allow anybody. This is where the real deal is now. This is when we're about to set up your trading account. Yes, it's that easy. We're setting up your trading account right now. All right. She's telling you everything. The buttons you need to press. Are you ready? Put some fires in the chat box. This is an individual of high energy. Fire down the chat box, because you know the amount of fire is on in this chat box right now. It's going to show how she's going to teach you. All right. If you put so much fire, she's definitely going to teach you everything she knows. All right. Coach Feji, are you on?
Okay, hi everybody. Can you hear me? If you can hear me and you can see me, can you please put a 1 in the chat box? If you can hear me and you can see me, can you please put a 1 in the chat box? Amazing. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much, Emanuela, for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's an honor for you to have said that I trained you, because it's been amazing to see your growth. I'm throwing it back to you. So guys, thank you so much, everybody. Yeah, my name is Fejiro and I'm a pharmacist, I'm a mom, and I'm also a forex trader. I've been in this opportunity for not up to a year, and trust me, guys, it's been amazing. You've heard Bianca and Emanuela talk about it. It's been amazing. So once in a while, I'm going to throw in some questions so that like we get interactive. So like Emanuela said, we're going to be opening broker accounts. If you are here and you've been trading for a while, you already know what a broker is. So for those who are new with us today, those who it's your first time, I don't even want to waste any time. I just want us to get down to it. So if this is your first time hearing about Forex, don't be scared at all. We have you covered. So we're going to open broker accounts now. I'm going to carry everybody along. So for those who are new here, if you haven't been in the academy, that's fine as well. And if you've been in the academy and you've been trading regular Forex, that's okay as well. Now, there are 3 brokers that we usually use, 3 brokers. I wouldn't say I'm recommending them personally, but they have features that actually help us to make more money and to minimize our losses. So I'm going to be asking like my fellow colleagues, the other organizers, can you please help me put the names of the 3 brokers? So we have IQ Sense. Guys, hope you have your pen and papers. Let's get to it. So you have IQ Sense, you have Video Forex, and you have Race Options. So now we're going to be opening our broker accounts. Guys, we're getting down to it. Everybody, you can do this on your phone. Don't worry about it. So can somebody please put IQ Sense? Just write it down there. Thank you, Bemi. I see you. Yes, so please write it down there for them. So you can just search on Google, IQ Sense, Video Forex, Race Options. So guys, now you're probably wondering which one should you go for. I'm not going to have one preference over another. This is how it works. Now I saw somebody talking about, oh, funding is an issue. So if you have about $100, the least amount you can go for with these 3 brokers is $100. So if you have about $100, you want to use IQ Sense. So yeah, guys, I see the links there already. So you can just click on it. So if you know you don't have more than $100, you don't have up to $250, you want to go to IQ Sense. That's where you're going to start from. Don't worry. And if you have the others, if you feel like you have more money, because guys, like Emanuela said, this time tomorrow, you are going to start making money. So you want to make sure you fund that account today. So let's open the account. Yes, guys, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, Ifoma. Thank you, Solomon. Thank you, everybody. So just click on it. So once you get there, it's very easy to set up. It's very, very easy. So once you go there, you just click on sign up. I'm going to share my screen now so that you see what IQ Sense looks like. You can use it on your phone. Personally, I take trades personally on my laptop. It's not like you can't do it on your phone, but I prefer to actually take on my laptop because it's more convenient. So now I'm going to share my screen so that you can actually see what I'm talking about. Okay, so sorry. Okay, yeah, so this is what IQ Sense looks like. So you just come here on IQ Sense and Sign up is right there. So you just click on sign up. It's almost as video Forex is the same thing as well. So you just click on sign up. Sign up. Once you click on sign up, it's going to take you where you can open your account. So for the sake of this session, I'm just going to use, like, it's not hard at all. So let's go. So once you put in your name, you put in your surname, you put in your email, you put in your password, any password you want. Depending on where you're calling in from, some people actually use like Great British Pound or the Euro, but most people use the US dollar. So guys, just fill in your details. That's all you need to sign up. That's all. So let's get that done. I'll stop sharing my screen now so that I can answer any questions anybody has. Danny, IQ Cent has a minimum deposit of $100. Yes, you can click on any of them. James, also remember, $100. There are also some conditions that are attached. We're going to do all of those, don't worry. So have you guys opened your accounts? Habib, just go to IQ Sense. They've dropped all the links for you. Yes, you are doing it. Euphemia, even if you're not in the academy, click on it. All of us who are getting carried along, you are going to make money tomorrow, whether you are in the academy or not. Just click on those links and then sign up. Let's get started. No waste of time. We're going to do it together. Sign up. So those were the three I recommended. I said IQ Sense, race options, and video Forex. Guys, let's go. If you've opened your own account, if you've successfully signed up, can I get a 1 in the chat box, please? It's very easy. Just put in your name. Fine. NK has done that. Amazing, guys. Like I said, I'm not going to say which one is the best or not. These are the three that will give us features that will actually help us to make more money and leverage and have a better leverage. Guys, you guys are so good. All the ones, I see them. Thank you so much. So iPhone, we're opening a broker account to help us trade high frequency Forex. That's what we're doing. iPhone, you said you are lost. So I put the names of everything and people helped us put the links in the chat box. And if you have $100, if you feel like you'll be able to fund with $100, you don't have to fund immediately. Just click on that link. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm going to now throw in a question just for everybody to get. If you are not in the academy, guys, if you are not in the academy, this is out of my pocket. I'm just going to give you like a recharge card. And even if you're not in Nigeria, I will send something to you. If you are not in the academy, and I would like anybody that is not in the academy, because I can see that some people have attended our overviews before. If you are not in the academy, this is for people not in the academy. If you are not in the academy, what is the name of the academy that teaches us cryptocurrency? What is the name of the academy that teaches us cryptocurrency? The first person to answer that is not I am. Oh my God, somebody just answered that. The CEO, amazing. That was fast. Guys, it's not HFX. It is not HFX. If you are listening to Emanuela, she said it. HFX is binary options, high frequency trading. Guys, DCX is the name of the academy. The CEO, please get back to who invited you and tell them to get to me. I have something for you. Okay, guys, I see a number of people have opened their broker accounts. DCX, yes, that's the name of our academy that teaches us cryptocurrency. So we have several of those. And HFX is also one of those academies. Please, how do you sign up? Guys, I've gone through this over and over again. Okay, now we're good. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to fund your account. I'm going to show you how to fund your account. It's really very easy. Like I said, you don't even have to have your money down immediately. But if you want to start trading with us tomorrow, you don't have to be in the academy. If you want to start trading with us from tomorrow, you want to fund your account before tomorrow's session, you are going to make money. Okay, so Valentine, please select dollar, or I don't know which country you're calling in from. You can select US dollar. Can somebody help with the links again? Somebody needs it. Okay, guys, I'm going to share my screen now. And let's move on. I'm going to show you how we fund our accounts. Okay, thank you, Israel. I don't want to delay again, so I'm just going to go on to funding your account so that everybody can get to it. All right, guys, when you log in, if you're using IQ Sense, I don't know if you're on your phone or I don't know what device you're using, but you should see something like funds or account funding over here. Anywhere you see funds, just click on it. So click on funds. So guys, do you see these funds? So this is my own balance, but yours right now will probably be $0. Yes, you just opened yours. Yes, guys, I said the next thing you want to do is click on funds. I'm going to show you how you can actually fund your account so that you can trade with it. For those that want to join us tomorrow to make money. Your own is not opening. Okay, sorry about that, James. All right, guys, if you're on IQ Sense, you can actually fund low, like I said, $100. So I'm just going to reduce this. I'm going to reduce this all the way to the end. Don't worry about what it says. Now, there's something called a bonus that you can actually take. Now, why do you need to take a bonus? A bonus can be taken because you actually want to make more money. What does it mean? A bonus, the broker is going to give you more money to trade with. So they will give you more money to trade with. Now, you can actually go as high as 20% bonus. I am not seeing funds. Yes, you've not funded anything now, so you will see $0 Chini. You want to steal the money. Yes, so guys, like I was saying, your bonus, if you look into your screen, you can see something like a bonus. I personally do not take bonuses. But if you are starting with $100 and you feel like you want to leverage more, what does leveraging more mean? Leveraging more means you want to take more trades. You want to take more risks. So you may decide to take the bonus. Whoever is writing on my screen, kindly stop that. Yes, Chima, don't worry. We will do it. Don't worry. So now, there is a bonus of 20% here. If you want more than that, you can actually go for as high as 200%. Now, I'm going to give the code for the 200% bonus. If you want it, guys, it is not compulsory. Like I said, I personally don't take it. So if you want this bonus, you are going to click in new 2000. So that's NEW 2000. So click that in. It's going to give you 200% bonus. What does that mean? It means that, okay, Israel, I'm going to get there. It means that if you fund with $100, the broker is going to give you $200 extra for you to trade with. Now, why do I not want to trade with bonuses? Because when they give you that money, they expect that you trade with it immediately and you are able to turn it over. Turning it over means that you have to trade that amount of money over a period of about 3 months. Now, what does that mean? You fund with $100. They give you 200% bonus. Now you have a total of how much? $300. Okay, guys, calm down, calm down. Okay, I'm explaining why you won't take the bonus. Guys, I said it, you fund with $100, they give you a 200% bonus. That's $300 in total you have. Yes, Israel is with me, amazing. Now, what the broker expects from you is that before you can withdraw any profits that you make on that money you deposited, you have to turn over all of that money they gave you 3 times. Guys, do you understand? Israel, do you understand why I don't want to take it now? It's not like it can't happen. You can actually turn it over, but I don't want to do that. Yes, I'm going to explain turnover. Turnover means the amount of trades you take, the money you use to trade in a period of time. Guys, do you understand now? See, everybody, they understand 100%. Amazing. And immediately they give you that bonus, you have to start trading with it immediately. I think the first time I started, in about 10 days, I did not start trading immediately. I had my 20% bonus. I did not start trading immediately. And what happened was that they took back their bonus from me. See, everybody, okay, I understand properly. So it's left to you. So either you use IQ Sense, or you use race options, or you use video forex. You can put in that code. The code is new 2020. So the code is new 2020 if you want that code. So everybody, just whatever this is telling you, even if it's saying you can't enter less than 500, don't worry. Just enter your promo code if you want the bonus, and then click on activate. Then the next thing we're going to do, guys, choose your funding method. You're using race options. Abiola is going to be there. Israel, you're welcome. Euphemia, you can actually do that. Leave Zoom. You will just be hearing my voice. Leave Zoom, go to your browser. You'll be hearing my voice. Leave Zoom, go to your browser, open your account, click on funds, and then you are able to do it. Vincent, have you seen the promo code? So guys, that's that about the bonus. Hope everybody understands. I just want to show you where you can read more about the bonus so that you understand better. So I'm going to click here on bonus rules. I'm going to show you guys something now so that you understand whether you want to take bonus or not, so that you not say it's Fejiro that sent you. All right, so guys, let's do this. So this is number, let me show you, like this is it. This is how it explains it. In order to qualify for profit of initial deposit withdrawal with an account at IQ Sense that has been awarded with a bonus, the funds deposited and the bonus must be turned over 3 times. By way of example, if a client deposits $1,000 and receives $300 bonus, client must achieve a turnover of 3,900. Do you guys understand? See it now, 3,900. Now they explain what turnover is. Turnover is defined as the sum of the value of all trading orders, excluding the value of any trading orders that have been canceled. Amount in base currency, how can, I don't know. I'm happy. Amount in base, don't worry about that. Don't worry. Once you send any amounts with your bonus, that's what will be received here. So guys, next thing you're going to do is choose funding method. Now, if you have a Visa card, you can actually do that, or a MasterCard. I know that in Nigeria, there's an issue with cards and crypto. Even in Canada, here in Canada, I think it's only one bank that actually allows you to use your card to buy cryptocurrencies. So you may not want to use your Visa card as an option. Yes, guys, you can fund your account without taking bonuses. So now the next thing you want to click on, if you can't use your Visa card, I know some people are able to use like their card. So if you can use your card, you can go on to use that. Now, guys, stop writing on my screen. Come on. Okay, like I was saying, the base currency, whatever number you can see here, don't worry, it doesn't matter. When I started with $100 initially, it was still showing $500 here, but it was the amount I sent to my account that was actually deposited. So guys, the next thing is you click on Bitcoin. Now, once you click on Bitcoin, you click on fund the account. So I would most likely recommend Bitcoin for everybody. Now it takes you here, and all you have to do is copy this address. For anybody who has Bitcoin for sale, they will ask you for this address. This one I just clicked on. They will ask you for it. You just copy it and send it to them. Now, for example, let's say Israel, he wants to buy Bitcoin from me. I'll just ask Israel, send me your Bitcoin address. And this is what he's going to send to me. He will just copy it and send it to me. And that's how to fund. So I don't know how much your Bitcoin rate is going for. I know a number of people who aren't even in the academy because of the whole Bitcoin skyrocketing thing. They have some Bitcoin in their wallet. So you can actually fund your account this way. Just copy this wallet address and you'll be able to fund your account. So once you do that, you can start trading. Guys, sometimes it doesn't even take up to an hour. If you have the money, ask whoever invited you. If you're already not in the academy, ask them that, please, can I get Bitcoin worth $100? And they'll be able to help you get it. Yes, there's an option for you to pay. Okay, guys, is everybody good? All we did was we went to, is paying with card risky? When you say risky, I don't know. I've never had any issues with paying with my card. I think it's secure to an extent. But like I said, if you're in Nigeria, the issue is that there's a limit on your card and how much you can fund with. So guys, if you're using Video Forex, whatever broker you're using right now, you can fund with it. So like I said, guys, you go down to choose funding method. And then you click on Bitcoin. Yes, Michelle, you can pay with either card or Bitcoin. But I'm telling you now that in Nigeria, if you are in Nigeria, Michelle, there is a limit on your card use. Chini, what are you lost on? Guys, we can't keep going back for so many people. Guys, if you are good with the funding, can I see a 1 in the chat box, please? If you are good with funding, can I see a 1 in the chat box, please? Wow, so many people are good. Amazing, 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 amazing. Okay, so we're good with that. Now we're going to get down to trading itself. So now when you're in your, you're still in your account, even if you're not funding at the moment, you can still watch. Chisom, I don't know the limit. It depends on your bank. You can always do that later. Guys, it is tomorrow you're actually going to start taking trades. Today, I'm just going to show you how we make money. Now, once you fund immediately after this session is over, tomorrow's session, you will be able to start making money immediately. I am rushing. James, are you serious? I'm rushing. I even feel like I'm too slow. Guys, yes, it's the same link. It will be sent to you. Don't worry. Okay, guys, let's move on. You'll be able to figure out your funding by yourself later. Okay, James said CBN lifted the card limit. Amazing. So that's good for everybody. Tell us more about the wallet. Guys, this is not a Bitcoin session. Tell you more about the wallet. Just get to whoever invited you and tell them you want to buy Bitcoin to fund your account. They will help you. Okay, now I'm going to move on to how we actually take trades. Yeah, Blessing, send in the address. Just copy it and send it to whoever you want to buy Bitcoin from. That's all. All right, let's move on. So guys, the next thing you click on is trading. Now, because you want to start trading, you click on trading. Yes, so we're going to trade now. Let's go. All right, guys. So if you look into my screen, if you're using a phone, it's going to be different. That was why I was telling you guys that it's kind of inconvenient for me on my phone. I'm sorry, my screen. Guys, okay. Okay, coach. Guys, unfortunately, the issue with demo ban is the issue with HFX brokers is that you have to have put in live money. You have to have put in real money before customer care can actually give you your demo account, unfortunately. Do you get? Ben, that's the thing, unfortunately. Okay, guys, so like I was saying, immediately you put in your funds, you want to start trading. I'm going to share my screen. Okay. Coach B, can I share my screen, please? So the promo code was new. 2,000. But remember, remember what we said. Remember the rules of bonus. I read it out. Stanley, does Olim trade allow you rollover? Okay, guys. I'm just going to wait a bit.
Pedro, you can share your screen now.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, let's go. All right, yeah, so like I was saying, if you're on your phone, it may be a bit different, but you just have to navigate your way around. You'll find it. Now, on the left-hand side, you're going to see something like currencies. Now, if you've been trading Forex for a while, oh gosh.
Apologies. I'm trying to stop them from drawing on your screen, but go ahead. You can share your screen again.
Okay, guys, please, whoever is writing on the screen, can you please stop that? People are trying to learn here. Okay, like I was saying, if you want, like now on your left-hand side, you can see these things called currencies. So what we do with Forex, like Emanuela explained, we trade things such as the USD versus the Canadian dollar. That's what you will see here. Now, we also trade something like NZD versus the US dollar. Another giveaway question, if anybody can tell me, not in the academy, what they think NZD stands for. What currency pair NZD stands for? Okay, I think who was the first? Yeah, Kemi was the first. So please get back to whoever invited you and tell them to get to me. I'll give you something. Okay, guys, let's go. So you see things like the USD versus the Japanese yen. Now, these percentages you can see beside them are how much these actually pay out at this particular time. Now, these may differ depending on the broker. Now, what does that mean? Sometimes if you look at USD JPY, it's paying 66% right here now on IQ Sense, but in video Forex, it may be paying more or it may be paying less. Now, as a rule of thumb, what our educators tell us is not to really go for anything less than 70%, max 65%. So whenever you want to trade, look at these things, like make sure you are going for one that is really high. Now, guys, you don't know how to analyze trades right yet. You don't know how to do any of those. So this is what Emma was trying to explain earlier. What we do, all we do is we join the educators and they tell us the buttons to press. That is all we do. It's not gambling. It's not gambling because these educators actually analyze the market for us and tell us what numbers to actually press. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you how that works. Now you come here and you decide, okay, I'm going to take EUR USD. Guys, if you can see EUR USD, just try to find it. Click on trading and it will open this for you. Try to find EUR USD. I didn't say IQ Sense is the best, please. Oh, I didn't say IQ Sense was the best. Okay, guys, once you find EUR USD, all you do is you click on it and then it takes you here. So make sure you're looking at this here, EUR USD. Make sure that is what is showing here because this is how you want to trade. This is what you want to trade. So on tomorrow's session, you will hear our educators say something like, okay, guys, we're going to trade EUR USD now. So all you do is you just come here, click on EUR USD. Now it's paying 79%. You just click on it and you'll see it here. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to trade it. Guys, please be taking notes. Be taking notes. This is very important. This part is very, very important. This is how you are going to make money tomorrow. So now let's go. So for your option type, according to my educator, she likes to pick the turbo. So just set it at turbo. Now your time, our educators always tell us the times to trading. I mean, some of us are able to analyze this market ourselves, but tomorrow you're actually going to be listening to educators that will tell you what to do. I mean, these are people that have been able to flip $500 to 8 million. So you want to be listening to them. Now, the trade ideas that they actually call out during these sessions are trade ideas that they take themselves and they use it to make money. So guys, depending on how much you have in your account, what our educators always tell us is do not leverage more than 3% in one trade. That's what they always say. Do you understand? Do not leverage more than 3%. But anyways, let's go. So what does that mean? If you have $100 account, for every trade, you should not go beyond what? Mathematicians in the house, let's see. If you have $100 account and they are telling you that you should not risk more than 3% per trade, exactly, Solomon, meaning that you are not going to risk more than $3. So where do you actually put that $3 into? You put it here where you have amounts. I'm not going to use $3. I'm going to use $1. I beg. I don't want to. I don't want to blow my account. So I'm going to use $1. Now, guys, do you see the profit it's showing me? It's showing me that if I take a trade and I clear it, I'm going to make a profit of 0.79 US dollars. That is because EURUSD is paying 79%. Now, 79% of $1 is 0.79. Yes, thank you guys. Yes, 3. So that is why it's showing me here that my profit is going to be 0.79. Now, if I decide to risk something higher, like $10, do you see my profit? Do you see how it just went up to 7.9? So that's how this works. So that's why it's binary options. Either it goes like you determine how much you're willing to lose per trade. If the trade goes in your favor, you know how much you win. If it doesn't go in your favor, you know you're risking your $3, your $1, your $2 or whatever. Kelvin. Okay, guys. If that is clear, can I see a 2 in the chat box? We're going to take a trade now. Don't worry. If that is clear, can I see 2s in the chat box? Amazing. So many people are getting a hang of this. Amazing. Amazing. Guys, if you use your phone, please try to locate those things there. Try to locate. I told you to be quite uncomfortable with your phone, but you just have to try. Don't worry, we're going to see the time. Now for the time, like I said, the educators determine the time that we enter. Most times, all the educators, most of them call 3 minutes for us. Why are they calling 3 minutes? They are calling 3 minutes because they've analyzed the trades, they've analyzed the charts. I mean, you guys, like I said, you don't understand how to analyze the charts yet. So all you're doing is plugging in with these educators. They actually teach sometimes, but most times they call these trade ideas for us. So now the time they select is 3 minutes. What 3 minutes means is that after 3 minutes, when you've taken this trade, you are going to know how much you've made or how much, or if you lost. Okay, somebody is answering you, Besta. Razaki is helping you. He said, rotate your phone. Yes, that could actually work for you. Okay, guys. So I said, now your time is 3 minutes. So there's also something called a fixed time, whether you put your fixed time on or off. Now, most educators will tell you to turn it off. Now, if you are turning your fixed time on, what does it mean? It means that you want your trade to stay completely for 3 minutes exactly. It means that you want your trade to stay for 3 minutes exactly. Now, if you turn off your fixed time, if you look at this time here, if your fixed time is turned off, it means that this time here, even though you've put in 3 minutes here, whatever time you get into the trade that is showing here is how many minutes you are going to actually use for that trade. Don't worry about it. We're going to do it. Chisom. MJ, I said if you have $100 account, do not risk more than 3%. I don't have $100 account. Do you understand, MJ? I don't have a $100 account, so I can actually leverage more. That was just an advice, MJ. All right, let's go on. So I'm going to actually show you how we take trades now. Like I was saying, you don't know how to analyze the market. All you want to do is click on these two buttons. Now, this green button is called a call, and this green button is called a put. So it's either of these buttons that you actually click to take trades. And Michelle, I put my leverage under amount. Click on amount and put in how much you want to take it with. So guys, I've put in $1 here because I'm not analyzing this. I'm just going to show you how it works. Now, what does a call mean? A call means that you are actually buying. Now, when you buy, when you trade Forex, if you are not new to this, if you are buying and you trade Forex, it means that you anticipate that the market is going to go up. So now, if I tell you that I'm going to click on call, what I expect is that I want this market to go up for me to make money. And I'm going to show you how that works. Now, if I click on put, is the opposite. Clicking on put means that I want the market to go below where I entered it. So these are the things you need to know. Guys, everything you are going to understand better. Oyewale, where are you lost exactly? Let me quickly run over it. Let's run over it quickly before I take the trade. Where are you lost? You are lost here. Where are you lost, please? So guys, what leverage? Your leverage is how much you are trading with. How much do you want to trade it? There's something called amount here. Put in whatever amount you want to risk on this trade. Yes, call is buy, put is sell. Exactly, certified source. You are getting the source. That is it. So guys, we're going to take this trade together now. I'm just going to call a put. I didn't analyze this market. Guys, the fixed time should be off. Let's put it off. Put your fixed time off for this trade. Yes, 3% of your funds. That's what they advise you. They advise you not to use more than 3% of your funds per trade. It's not compulsory. You can actually decide to, if you have coconut head, you can decide to do more. But guys, let's take this trade together. Okay, so I'm going to click on a call or a put so that you understand how this works. So now how it works is you join the educator, they've analyzed the market, and they know at a certain point it's going to start going down. So they'll tell you, we're going to call a put. Now they will give you the numbers, the last 3 numbers that you should actually get in. Now let's say they tell you, enter a put at 325. Guys, if they tell you enter a put at 325, you want to look at these last 3 numbers. Guys, do you see the last 3 numbers I'm talking about? We're on EUR USD. Do you see the last 3 numbers I'm talking about? The last 3 numbers right now is showing 322 on my screen. And I tell you that the educator told you when is at 325, get in for a put. So now I'm going to go in. I'm just going to click on put. I should have entered since at 325. So I'm going to click on it right now. So I just clicked on a put. I actually got in at 2315 instead of 25. Now we wait to see if I will make money on this trade or not. So now if you scroll down, you are actually going to be seeing where you are making money. Now let's look at it together. Your assets, this is the trade you entered, EUR USD. The price I entered at was 3315. The expiry price is where the market currently is at. Remember, I told you guys, for a put, you want to make sure you are below where you entered. That is how you make money. And call or put, I put in a put. My start time, I entered at 13:11. And my expiry time is at 15. That's about 2 minutes from here. Do you see that it's not completely 3 minutes because my fixed time was turned off? Now my order size is what I entered with. That is $1 that is showing right here. And my payout is 1.79. Remember, it was 79% that this EUR USD was paying. So this is my payout, 1.79. So we're just going to wait. Now, I actually wanted to show you guys a losing trade because there's something we do if we're losing. that you can actually use to make more money. But anyways, guys, I'm making money now. That is what it is. Now, imagine if I had entered with $10, I would have been, my payout would have been 17.9 right now. So we just wait for it to expire to see if you make money. Do you see how easy it is? I just clicked on a button, put. That's why it's money in minutes. I just clicked on a button. Oh my God, I just cleared the trade. Guys, do you see? Total trades. I just cleared that trade. In less than 3 minutes, I just cleared that trade. Yes, guys, that's how it works. Very, very, very easy. Very easy, guys. Do you see? That's all I had to do. Now, guys, don't even worry about, oh, when can I analyze? If you've not done anything with Forex in your life, it will confuse you. That's why we have these educators, so that you can be making money just from, Juliet even took the trade. Hey, Juliet, you took the trade. I didn't analyze it. Guys, so I just made money right now. I just made money in less than 3 minutes. That is why they call it money in minutes, guys. Is everybody good? All I did was click on a single button, and that was all. That was all. Now, the amazing thing is when you join these sessions, the educators tell you when to get in so that you can make that money. You can actually enter more than once. How can you contact educators? Get back to whoever invited you. Wow, some people even took the trades. You guys have mind. You guys have mind. Yes, guys, that is how it works. Money in minutes. I just cleared that trade. If I had actually leveraged more, if I had leveraged $10, I would have made $17.9. Honestly, they have coconut heads, honestly. So guys, that's how it works. All you have to do is just click on buttons. Now I'm going to try to make sure I lose a trade so that you will understand something. I want to lose a trade so that I want to show you guys something. I want to try to lose a trade. I want to show you something you can do. Okay, guys, now I just entered this trade for a call. I'm hoping I lose because I want to show you something, but it looks like I'm winning. So remember, guys, a call, if you enter for a call, that is a buy. A call means that your trade, look at where I entered here. For you to be making profits, the market must be above where you entered. This is where I entered. Look at where the market currently is at. Do you get? So that's why I'm in profit. If you look at it here, my payout is saying 1.79. Now, if you want to even make more money, you can do something called a double up. Yes, I want to try to lose a trade. Guys, you can do something called a double up. I'm sure you can see double up in your screen. So even if you are using a phone, you will see the double up option. The double up option means you are going to enter another position. So guys, let's click on double up. So if you click on double up, you just enter the trade at a higher position. So you've entered at 2 different positions. All I did was just click on double up just to enter twice. That's what double up means. And I'm in profit for both. I want to lose so that I can show you guys something. Okay, see this one, I'm not in profit. My payout is saying 0 for the second time that I entered. So now if you want to give yourself more time, it happens like that sometimes. Like the educator analyzes a trade or you analyze a trade yourself and it hasn't reached your profit yet. And you feel like you still need more time because the trade can still get to where you want it to get to. You do something called a rollover. You do something called a rollover. So all you have to do is, a rollover means you are buying yourself more time. So I'm going to click on rollover. Guys, what just happened? If you look at it, from 2017 that I entered from, I just increased my expiry time when my trade will end to 2022. It just bought me 3 extra minutes. That is what your rollover does. It just bought me 3 extra minutes. That is what your rollover does. All you just do is click on the rollover button and it will buy you more time. So on this second trade that I entered, I have more time now. So I'm going to wait to see if it can enter profit. So guys, do you understand? It's just a call or put. Okay, so I lost the first trade. Guys, do you see? I lost this. So this is what it will look like when you lose. That's why I was saying I wanted to roll over, because I didn't have enough time. So I rolled over just on the second one. So for you to roll over means you want to buy yourself more time. Yes, rollover is free. It's not free of charge. You can always click rollover. But now look what happens with rollover. With rollover, remember I entered with $1 initially. When I rolled over, they increased my order size to 1.30. What does that mean? They added 30% to my leverage. So now I'm risking more money. That is what happens. That's the only disadvantage of a rollover. It gives you time, but it will increase how much you're actually risking. Please, how do you don't close a trade until it should reach the time, the expiry time. Guys, any questions? Ask me. What brought me to this page? I'm on Dexter. Please go to your broker and click on trading. There's no stop loss, Samuel. It's binary. You can roll over as many times as possible, but our educators advise us to roll just twice. Because if you keep rolling over more than once, you are increasing how much you are risking, and that's not how to be a good trader. So Oyindamola, double up means you are creating another position entirely. Another position entirely. And rollover means you are buying yourself time. So with double up, you entered another position, and it's going to end at the same time that your first trade started. Yes, this is binary, guys. Okay, yeah, you said the page where I monitor the trades. I just scrolled down, Dexter. Okay, how will you check your time to know when you roll over? Guys, if you are in a loss, the rollover thing will be showing there for you when you still have enough time before your trade expires. The rollover thing will be showing there for you. Like it will be there, like pick me, roll me over, use more money. That's how it works. Yes. Risk taking or a prediction. What does that mean? I don't understand that question. So yeah, if you are losing, you'll see it there. Your rollover will be there. It will be like pick me, so that you buy more time. Sometimes you don't even need to roll over. The trade is still going to clear for you. Do you get? So now, guys, look at it. My time is almost up and I haven't cleared this trade. So both options are gone. So don't worry about doubling up or rolling over. The educator will advise you. Look at it here. It's here. Roll over. The educator will advise you on if you should roll over or not. So I just lost the second trade. So this is what a loss will look like. So I just lost $1 because I just lost $1.30 because that was what I risked. Guys, once you fund your account live, you can actually get a demo account. But why wait? You can start making money immediately. If you guys had money in your account now and you had taken this trade, some people actually took the trade and they made money. So why wait? It's just to click a button, call and put. So guys, any other questions? Should we take one more trade so that you understand? Oh, you're good. If you're good, just let me know. If you want one more trade, put a 1 in the chat box. If you are good, put a 2 in the chat box. Okay, I think there are more ones. Temi Tokpai, please, you can check Go Live to know when the educators are live. Okay, let me look for another pair. Okay, I'm just going to take EURNZD. So all we do, remember, you search for EURNZD. You're going to see it here. The next thing you want to do is put your time. Your time is usually 3 minutes. The educator will tell you what time you should get in on. So you put 3 minutes. You feel me? You start with your live account when you fund. You enjoy the trade. Okay, one more trade, guys. Let's take one more. It's just $1. Don't worry, Dwayne. Okay, Oyindamola will use rollover and double up now. You understand? So we're going to put in 3 minutes and I'm going to put $1 and my profit here, because it's 85% paying here, my profit is going to be 0.85. So I'm risking $1. So if this trade doesn't go in my favor, I'm actually going to I'm actually going to lose $1. That's what it means. That's why HFX is good. It gives you the opportunity to control how much you lose. Okay, so I'm going to just click on, let me do a put. So remember, guys, with a put, you want the trade to go down. So the educator is going to tell you, enter at 255. So you look at these last three numbers, enter at 255. Once it gets to somewhere like that, 255 or even higher, just click on put. So guys, I just clicked on put. So see where I entered at 275 and I have my 3 minutes. So I'm just going to wait and see what the market does. Now, guys, let's look at it. Scroll down. Look at our trade was EURNZD. This is the price I entered at. This is the price the market is currently at. I entered for a put. This is the start time. This is when my trade is going to expire. Now, I explained that because I put off my fixed time, it's not going to be completely 3 minutes. It's going to be this is just about over 1 minute. So now, who was asking about double up and rollover? This is when you can actually roll over. So whenever you are not in profit, rollover will immediately jump up. Who is that person that was asking me that question? Whenever you are not in profit, you will immediately see rollover jumping here. Now, for double up, you can always put it at any time. Do you understand? Double up just means you want to enter this trade twice. So you will just click on it. Now, if you are in a loss, rollover would have been here with a clock that you can just click on and you roll it over to buy you 3 minutes extra. Juliet already cashed out. Juliet, be calming down. Oh. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to clear this trade as well. Amazing. So, oh, and I just cleared it. Let's go. Okay, yes, guys, in less than 2 minutes, I made back my money again. Okay, let's go. I plan to become an IM educator one day. I know it's going to happen. All right, guys, yes, so that is it. So during tomorrow's session, once you fund your account, you'll be able to do it. The educators will tell you everything you need to know. Guys, get back to whoever invited you. If you have any questions, if you want to fund your account, don't sleep on this moving train. I didn't even have to analyze anything. Now, these educators are expert traders. They will tell you what to buy and sell. They will tell you when to call or put and at what number. You don't need to bother yourself. You don't even need to think about it. When should I roll over? When should I double up? They will tell you. And that is how we make our money in minutes, guys. Let's go. If you got some value on this call, for those that made money, send my tithe. If you got some value on this call, please put some fires in the chat box. Let's go. Okay, I think that is it for me. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Sheesh. Okay, over to you. Who is Coach B? Over to you. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so much fire. Thank you. The next person I'm bringing on today to show you how the academy works and how you can actually take trades sometimes on your own when you have an understanding of these things is somebody I admire so much. She hasn't even been in the academy for that long.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you've been getting value from this, drop some fires on the chat box, please. Drop some fires in the chat box. If you've been getting value from this, drop some fires in the chat box. Drop some fires. Just drop everything. Scatter the chat box, guys. Guys, some people just made money now. Like as we are talking, they made money now. Just scatter the chat box, guys. I'm so excited that you are here. I'm so excited that you are here. So please, my name is Ngozi Diagraham. I am a mechanical engineer and also a forex trader. Yes, I trade forex. Extra stream of income is really needed these days. And I'm here to take you through the IM Academy. I'm here to take you on a tour through what we do. Basically. I'm here to take you in the academy. For those that are in the academy and don't know where to go to HFX, I'm going to shake your tables this evening. So I hope you are ready. So I'm about to share my screen. Guys. I'm about to share my screen. So let's get to it immediately. Awesome, guys. So for those in IM Academy, this should be like a very easy something for you, really. Very easy, like a giveaway. So I'm going to just show you the different people to go to. Now they'll be talking about educators. Now, who are these educators, basically? Who are these educators? I know all of you will be wondering, who are they? Are they Yoruba? Are they Igbo? Are they whatever? Who are they? So now I'm about to show you who they are exactly. So what we have to go to is golive.im. Golive.im. Awesome. Golive.im. Then now this is the platform for IM Mastery Academy. I know newbies here, people visitors here, you guys might not understand, but I'll try and come to your level, basically. Come to your level. This is our holy grail. This is our bank. This particular place is our bank. This is where we cash out big time. This is where we get educators that make millions on a daily, guys. Millions in a sitting, thousands of dollars in a sitting. So yeah, okay. My name is you guys can hear me clearly? Okay. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, please put a 1 in the chat box. Let me know. Okay, no problem. Awesome. Let me continue. Okay, let me see. Okay, awesome. You guys can hear me. Awesome. So now I'm about to show you the educators, the various educators. Someone is writing on my screen. I don't know who. Please stop writing on my screen. Let's see, a lot of messages coming on, so I'm trying to see if I can answer them. Okay, awesome. So now these are our educators. So this is the top featured session. I'm going to take you through one by one so that you will know what's up. These are our millionaires. These are the people giving us the millions. Like we just enter the market with our Ghana must go back and start packing the millions on a daily. In 3 minutes, in 1 minute, these are our soldiers, guys. These are our soldiers. These are the in fact, I can't even say much, guys. So now I want you to note something. If you notice under, you can see their views, right? You can see their views, and these are weekly views. So guys, in just how many days this week, 78,152 people has viewed Matitea's session. They have come onto his session to make money. 78,000 people. Data doesn't lie. I know there should be a number of data analysts in this call. You should know that data doesn't lie. Look at this one, 87,588 views. So if you are in this academy and maybe you took a break, I don't know why you are taking a break from what is giving you millions. If you took a break, you should know that 78,152 people per week making money. Just this week hasn't ended. This week hasn't even gone halfway. They have already made money. They have cashed out. A monthly salary is done in a session. Guys, don't sleep on this for anything. Don't sleep on this. Make it a new year resolution that you are going to go back, come here and okay. Make it a point of duty that you're going to come back and make money. Make money here immediately with immediate effect. Make money here. So now let me go to HFX. So you basically pick a channel. Sorry guys. So you got to pick a channel, then you click HFX. This is an academy. Like we've always said, this is an academy. So it is a school, like the way you do your school basically. How did we get here? Okay, let me try it again because of people that are newbies, and there are some people that just got in just now. So I go to golive.im, and please, you can't come here unless you are subscribing to the academy. It is a personalized, once you are signed up, you get a personalized username and password for this site. So it is not a free something. It's your personalized username and password for this site to get access to this site, guys. So, okay, it has loaded. So it just loaded now. I just scroll down, like it's very easy. Scroll down, then you pick a channel. Once on that, you pick a channel, you see Forex, HFX, but for this bootcamp, we are doing strictly HFX. So we click on HFX. Okay, so can you guys hear me? Like someone is saying that the background is noisy. You can't hear me. Wow. Okay. Let me see. You can't hear me. Wow. Okay. 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 Go on. It's just too noisy. I can hear you. You can. Okay. So let me see. What can we do? Because apparently a lot of people. Okay, you can. Okay. Sorry. Maybe it's I don't know. Okay, so now we are going now to the academy live. So this is basically the timetable for the academy. This is the timetable for the academy. So it's like a normal school, your regular school, your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now I'm going to show you 5 different educators that are going to get you the bag in 3 minutes, in 5 minutes. 5 different educators. Now, let's come to the first educator. Her name is Millie Mills. Millie Mills with the money. Millie Mills with the money. Millie Mills with the cash. Yeah, Millie Mills. Millie Mills are holy grail, guys. So as you can see, we had a session earlier on with her. So you are seeing the trades that she called out. So it's very easy. Like the way I'm talking to you now on Zoom, basically, that's the way she will basically talk to you, and she will be giving you her trade. So as she's trading, you are trading. It's as simple as that. What you have to do is exactly what Fejiro said. Click your call or click your put. You don't need to strategize, you don't need to think, you don't need to calculate anything. She does everything that is here. She's the one that wrote them down. You don't need to stress yourself. Everything that is here, she's the one that wrote them down. So what you just left for you is look at it, look at your broker. If it is where it is, click call or click put. Very simple. Extremely simple, guys. Extremely simple. So now you might be wondering, okay, I am new on a session. How am I going to do it? I'm new on my session. Oh, some people are writing on my screen. What's going on? Some people are writing on my screen. Please stop writing on my screen. Wow. I'll just continue like that. Stop writing on my screen. Okay, so if you are worried that, okay, I am new on millennial session, what am I going to do? What am I going to do exactly? No worries. Just scroll down, go to our recorded session. Guys, this is the grill. This is the holy source I'm going to give you now. So please watch out. Go to her recorded session, then go to her favorite session, guys. Her favorite session. Her favorite session. Scroll down and come to this last two. Payouts, rollovers, and double up. Then what is HFX and HFX brokers? These two videos will set you like 41 minutes, 30 minutes. It's like, it doesn't take time. 1 hour, 10 minutes, you're done. So these are the videos that will set you for her live sessions. So I repeat, just scroll under her video, go to her favorite session. There is recorded, don't go to recorded. Go to her favorite session, scroll down, and you will see payouts, rollovers, and double ups. Payouts, rollovers, and double ups. Then what is HFX and HFX brokers? These are the videos that will set you for her live session. It will prepare you for her live session. If you understood it, please put a 1 in the chat box so that I know that you understand how to come here. Please put a 1 in the chat box if you understood. Okay, some people say they can't hear me, but people are actually putting 1s in the chat box. Okay, I don't understand. People are saying that they're not hearing me, but people are still putting 1s. Okay, awesome. Okay, if you don't understand, this is for IM Academy people. If you are not subscribed, I repeat it again, if you are not subscribed, you are shooting yourself in the leg. Because you are seeing from Coach Fejiro, she made money in literally minutes. Guys, let me give you an instance. Let me just give you an instance so you know what I'm talking about. Imagine working with Dangote. Let's say you are five working with Dangote, right? You guys are like his PA, A, B, C, D, E. You are 5 guys working with Dangote as his PA. And you personally, you don't want to go to work because you think it's too stressful. You think it's too expensive to go there. But he pays them every day. Would you go to work if they pay you every day? Are you going to go to work? If they pay you in 10 minutes, are you going to go to work every day? Answer yes or no in the chat box. If they pay you in 10 minutes, are you going to go to work every day, every single day? If they pay you in 10 minutes, are you going to go to work every single day? I need answers in the chat box. Are you going to go to work every single day? If you're not going to work every single day if they pay you every day. If they pay you at least 50K, 100K. Oh, better. Like you actually sleep there. You go like guys, like stop shooting yourself in the leg. People are actually making money from this. So don't sleep on this opportunity. Guys, don't try it. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. There are people, most of you are on the group chat, on the trading group chat. I know there are visitors here, but some of you are on the trading group chat every day. There are people that have made up to $300 in less than an hour. Every day, back to back, back to back. Why are you not making that money? After, by the end of the year, you will say it's your village people, right? Yeah, and you enter January, New Year resolution, I'm going to make this, I'm going to make that. This year is my year, I'm going to hit $1 million. I am not doing the needful. You are praying to God for your helper is here, and you are not doing it. Guys, change. This is January, guys. Change, guys. This is January. You will, you better do. Okay, so let's continue. So let's go back. So this is just mini news. I'm going to show you another person again. I'm going to show you 5 people that you can log on to make money. Okay, so that is the first person, mini news. But please take a screenshot. It's very, very important. Now, the second person is the Woods. The Woods, guys. You don't want to miss it for anything. The Woods. Yeah, the Woods. He's not live now. If he's live, you would see him. So the Woods, he's going to be live at around, let me check his time. And note, please, for those who don't know how to go live sessions, it's very, very easy. It's very, very easy, guys. Look at the time. You notice the time is at, let's say the Woods is 10 p.m. EST. EST, just add 6 to Nigerian time. Easy as that. Just add 6. So that is 4 a.m. Nigerian time, and you go on session. As simple as that, guys. 4 a.m. Nigerian time, and go on your session. Boring, okay, no problem. Who else? Matutea. Guys, go to Matutea. Matutea is by for training session on Sundays. He goes 11 p.m. EST. So you basically just add 6 hours and it gives you 5 a.m. Nigerian time, and you get the money. When you start getting the money, I'm not sure you will think this is boring, okay? I know you're not signed in yet, that's why. Okay, this guy has more than $5 million in his account, and he trades and you trade too. So there's no how you're not going to make that money. Okay, now the fourth person I'm going to show you is Dr. Josh Lee and Brandon Boyd. This is basically for education. He doesn't take trades. Just basically for education. So please plug into the sessions as much as you can. As much as you can, guys. Plug into the sessions. Go lives are going to help. Go lives are changing lives. Go lives are making you make money in minutes. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. As easy as that, guys. Now, the last person I'm going to show you right now before I drop the call would be Jake Bloomstand. Please, if I'm too fast or the network is shaky, kindly take a screenshot. Then note their particular dates and their particular times. There are days where they come on training and their particular times. So you note them. So, okay, let me see the chat. I don't know why they allow kids on this call, Shab. Okay. So, Jake Bloomstand, he is another educator that will give you your money, give you your cash ASAP, guys. So I think that's all. That should be all for now. So please, if you have any question, if you have anything you want to say, I want to advise you that you should plug into this opportunity because it's a life training opportunity. It is literally money in minutes. It is literally money in minutes, guys. It is literally money in minutes. The money you make in 1 day, in 1 month, you get it in minutes. You get it in minutes, guys. So please, any question, anything you want to say, please, any question. I want to call on Coach Bianca. Coach B, are you there? So I could, okay. Coach Bianca. Okay, no problem. So I want to really, I really want to end the call. I want to tell you thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for joining in this session. I hope you've learned a lot. Look forward to seeing you back tomorrow to make money. Look forward to seeing you back tomorrow to make money, to make this money in minutes. Make your salary in a minute. Sack your boss, guys. That's what we are literally doing. Sack your boss. And I hope you have a very, very good time. And I hope you have a very good day. Please join us tomorrow. Don't miss it. We are trading life for educators tomorrow. We are trading life for educators tomorrow. So please do not miss it. The $1 million educators, we are trading life with them. So see you tomorrow. So have a very, very, very blessed day. Good night. So please, it's 5 a.m. Do not forget, 5 a.m. tomorrow and also 6 p.m. in the evening. So please do not forget. So have a very, very good day. Good night.